Dear students, how are you everybody? So today we are going to start our computer subject and part 2. So in part 2 we are going to learn in deeply what is the LAN, WAN and MAN. So already we did in the last class that there are types of computer networks. Local area network, short form LAN, LAN. Second one is metropolitan area network, MAN. Wide area network, WAN, WAN. So first we are going to learn about what is local area network. From the word local, it is clear that network is shared within the local area, and we can say in limited area it is shared, not more than that. So how much that area is shared with the local area network? Local area network is the computer network in which the computer are located with it short distance. So it is shared network is shared in short distance. For example, here it is given your school computer. Okay, you are using your school computer in the lab. So here is the principal office, there is the office, account department, and these two are the main computer, and it is also shared with your lab also. So network, that is the net connection, is shared to your computer lab also and game department also. So this is known as the short distance network is shared, so within the school area only. And it is on given on page number 21 that what is the area, that is a perfect area. In local area network, computers can be maximum 1 to 2 kilometers apart from each other. So 1 to 2 kilometers only there should be a network can be shared, is known as local area network. Now what are the characteristics of local area network? In local area network, computers are mostly confined to a room, building or a campus. In short, we can say computers are arranged, or computer use network that is confined to a building only, school building, okay, you can say, or a campus only. And computers are connected together or using personal lines of wires, and also transfer at very fast speed because they are shared within the 1 or 2 kilometer. So speed is also very fast. And now here it is another picture you can see this is your computer study room and computer bedroom, in the bedroom and in the drawing room. Suppose there are 3 rooms of your house, and in the 3 computers are also there in the each different room. So this is also an example of a local area network. And in the school also, see, all students are using computer in the lab. This is an example of local area network. On the page number 22 we will learn about the MAN, that is metropolitan area network. From word metropolitan you can get an idea what does mean metropolitan. Metropolitan area network is also known as MAN. Span a large area such as city. It can reach from several buildings to entire cities. Here you can say network is shared in the city. For example, one office to the another office. In short, we can say entire city in one city. For example, if you are living in the Mumbai, so your Mumbai area, it is a fixed that in this area according to this network is shared. So entire city you can say. So here is an example, that is office, okay, from office to another office also you can say your another branch. So network is shared, so you can say this, and that is shared with the help of telephone network. So here we will go through characteristic of metropolitan network. First one, a MAN may occur an area of 5 km to 50 km. See, in LAN it was 1 to 2, and in metropolitan, that is in the MAN, 5 to 50 km. And now next point, a single person or an organization usually own this network. For example, one organization is there and they are using their own network, so entire that organization use this network that is shared in them. And next, it provides a high speed connectivity and data transfer rate also. So here also speed is high. And here is a small example, that from Andheri Bandra and Borivali, Mumbai example. Okay, so network is shared, that is communication medium. Your picture is given Andheri, Bandra and Borivali. So entire city of the Mumbai, you can say. Okay, and here another one is also given on page number 23. When computer of an organization that has its office in multiple cities, for example in Mumbai also it has, Delhi it has, or you can say in Chennai also, multiple cities are connected, then they are very wide area network. See here it is example Mumbai, Delhi, Lucknow. Okay, so this is an, you can say, metropolitan area network, 50 kilometers. So you can guess around the cities which comes under the 50 kilometer. Okay, so here it is example given Mumbai, Delhi and Lucknow. And here it is given wide area network, that is WAN. Wide area network extends over a large geographical area such as country or continent. See again, in short, LAN means according to your school building or campus, you can say. And in MAN you can say entire city, you can say Mumbai city, example given in your textbook. Borivali you can say Bandra. Okay, so that you can say your office is connected from one to another area, so full city. And in WAN it is given from country to continent, for example from India to America, you can see. So here it is given in the deep question, and here it is a picture. See WAN from word wide, you can say that wide area, word wide area means a lot of area capacity to give network. See this is the LAN. LAN also it can take from WAN, here it is given. So this is the picture you can see. Okay, learn characteristics of wide area network. So wide area network, from the word it is clear that computer can be different in different countries. Okay, your branch is even in India, and another branch which is vast developed in America also. So that way we can say. And next is computers are connected together using public lines of wires. This can either be a telephone lines of any telephone system or through satellite. So this can be shared either the telephone or you can say either through satellite. So satellite is I think the best option, no problem is there. And in wide area network, data is transferred at slower speed than the local area network. See, speed becomes very less than the LAN and you can say MAN, because network is transferred from country to continent. So that much difference you can see. See here it is a picture given in your textbook on page number 24. See, globally network is shared, for example Nepal, India, France, UK and USA, you can say. So obviously you know, if each and every person of city, country to country, so network speed becomes very less. Here is a 2 question. In which type of computer network computers have to be close to each other? They have to close, so that is the LAN, they have to close their computer. And next question is, in which type of computer network computers can be in different countries? So different countries, word different countries, you catch that word. So that is the WAN. And now in the next class we will learn about the advantage of networking. So till today we are going to learn only this much. What is LAN, MAN and WAN? 1 to 2 kilometers LAN, MAN from 5 to 50 and WAN from country to continent. Okay students, thank you everybody, have a nice day.